Hey guys, so this is my ponytail after 2 days of wearing it, which is good for me because I never do that. Like, this is my first time going like this because I take my wigs off like in 2 days. And I did this install. If you haven't seen me do this install in color, go back and watch that video because this video is still on here. Like, you can wear an install using our glue products for 2 to 3 weeks. If you use the silicone max, it's gonna last you even longer, 4 to 6 weeks. But baby, I do not wear my wig. I like to switch it up. Like, I like to switch it up. And I just wanted to like challenge myself and see how I could do. But right now we're gonna do our last look, baby. I went a whole half a week and I did good and I'm proud. But let's get into this last look for you guys. Just give y'all like some quick ideas you could do with your hair so that you know, can look different and switch it up, because some of y'all go 2 weeks and that's good, but I can't do it.
All right guys, let's get started. So we're gonna wet this hair because I previously had another hairstyle and it's kind of crinkled up, so I want to make it a little bit more manageable. I didn't use a lot of product on it, so I'm just going in with some water and I'm going to blow dry it straight. All right, so I'm going to freshen up these edges using the Boldhold lace jelly. You can get this on my website at www.thehairdiagram.com. I'll make sure that I put the information in the description box so you can get yours now. All right, so now I'm gonna just put a little heat to it to straighten it out before I put my curls in and do my cut on it for my layers. I just want to kind of silk it out some. Okay, so this is the hair that we did the Rit clothing dye on, and if you look at it, the color is stained very pristine and bright when I put heat to it. So that's the good thing about it. If you missed that video, you need to go check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and section this hair off because I'm about to do my cut. So I'm basically gonna do all of my cutting in the front. I wanna start in the middle, decide exactly how long I want that bang to be, and I'm gonna cut it right there. And that's gonna be my guide for the rest of the cut. And I'm only gonna have to really cut the front. So we cut this right below the nose. Then I'm gonna bring the hair out and hold it at 45-degree angle, matching it with that short hair that we just cut and going down at that angle for my layers. And I'm just going to do that all the way down on each side so that it matches. All right, so I'm going to hold the hair out on the sides straight out at 45, and I'm going to cut this hair using that same guide, and I'm just going to create some layers, and I'm still only cutting the very front. Now I'm ready to curl it. I have my layers in there and I'm ready to curl this hair. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna section off this. Man, every time I'm doing a video, I'm super ashy. I don't know what that's about. But anyway, so now I'm going to section it off so that I can start putting my curls in. I'm gonna section off the front and then I'll section off the back. Okay, so I'm going to be using my T3 barrel curlers. You can get these from Ulta. I really like them because they get really hot. But when I do this curl, guys, like, notice I'm curling it away from my face so that the curls will feather out. So I'm bringing all of the hair forward and I'm curling it back. And I'm actually going to pin each curl so that it will settle and hold the volume. Okay, so now I'm going to take my curling iron and I'm going to iron out that front, pulling all that hair directly to the front for that curtain look. You can use your pressing comb, but I didn't have mine. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to put that curling iron up underneath because I want to get a little lift right here. It's going to create a lot of fluff. So I got it curled under, coming towards my face so that I can have that nice curtain open look right here in the front with that part in the middle. And I'm going to pin it. And I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side so that I have a uniform look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe below. If you have any recommendations on any other styling you would like to see, comment that as well. Thank you guys for watching.